This is a certified pre-owned 2010 Lincoln MKT, powered by all-wheel drive, a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. With fewer than 35,000 miles, this vehicle has a long road ahead. Every Lincoln certified pre-owned vehicle is meticulously inspected to deliver peace of mind. Enjoy the confidence of our 200-point inspection, 24-hour roadside assistance, and a 6-year, 100,000-mile comprehensive limited warranty coverage on more than 500 components. The features include a turbocharger, a sunroof, leather seats, heated seats, Bluetooth connectivity, Ford Sync, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, memory seats, premium rims. Safety was made a priority with these features: a backup camera, fog lights, side airbags, second and third row head airbags, rain sensing wipers, independent suspension. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Planet Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 20403 I-45 North, Spring, Texas 77388.